Hi everyone, so I went shopping today, rather unusual for me, and I bought a GoPro HERO7 Black to do some filming with, so for travelling or even just going on our weekly adventures. Got a charging cable, so these ones apparently you just plug in with a phone cable, so we got the little charging bank to help with that, and then we got the 128GB memory card as well, obviously, so we can record and store it. I don't know how to open it.
Should talk about how you did that.
Down the bottom, so there's a tab down the bottom apparently that you just pull. Oh, okay. So it's very nice. The box has instructions, so we can follow the instructions to set it up. So I'll just open the box first up. Oh, we've got our trusty stickers. These are our safety instructions, so there's a lot of things. Safety should be your priority, always. Alright, so we've got easy instructions in here. They're just pictures, basically. So, I'll just unfold this. Alright, so we've got what looks like a battery, a charging cable, some mounts, so two different mounts, different shape mounts, they probably do the same thing, and then we've obviously got the GoPro stuck to the box. I don't know, should it be stuck to the box? It's very stuck to the box. Very good packaging. I'll give it 5 stars for the packaging. Alright. So, GoPro is off the box. Very sticky. Alright. So, it tells you how to take it off, so it must be, gotta remove whatever that is. I have no idea. GoPro. Alright, so after fiddling around and actually taking the time to read the instructions, I figured out how to get this off the sticky black thing that it was boxed in. So basically you untwist this and it comes off. So you're good to go and start setting everything up then. So I'm going to go put this on charge now to get ready to have a play with it. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our channel, and we will post some more adventures with our GoPro soon. Thank you. Bye.